Hi there. You must be Helen.
Yes, I'm Helen. You are?
I'm Jane. Welcome to work.
Thank you, Jane. I'm very excited.
Is this your first job?
No, second job. Still very new.
Well, you'll do great here.
That's really kind. Thanks so much.
What's your role in the team?
I'm working as marketing assistant here.
Oh, nice. That sounds very interesting.
I hope I can learn fast.
You will. Everyone here helps lots.
That makes me feel more comfortable.
We're happy you joined our team.
I already feel welcome. Thank you.
Have you met our team yet?
Just a few. Not everyone yet.
I'll introduce you around at lunch.
That would be super helpful, Jane.
Let's sit together in the cafeteria.
Great. I won't feel alone then.
Of course not. You're not alone here.
That's good. I'm a bit nervous.
It's normal. Everyone feels nervous first.
I'm glad you understand. Thanks again.
So, where did you work before?
I worked in a small agency.
Oh. Was the job like this?
A bit. But this feels bigger.
It is bigger, but still friendly.
That's the best part. Feels warm.
I felt the same starting here.
How long have you worked here?
Almost 2 years now. Time flies.
Wow. That means you like it.
Yes, I really do. Great team.
That's nice to hear from you.
Do you need help with anything?
I'm learning the system right now.
If stuck, just ask me anytime.
I really appreciate that, Jane. Thanks.
We all started as beginners too.
Good to remember. That gives confidence.
Did you find your desk okay?
Yes, but the chair feels weird.
Oh. I'll help adjust it later.
That would be great, thank you.
How was your first morning today?
A little slow. I'm still adjusting.
Totally normal. It gets better soon.
I hope I learn everything quickly.
You will. Step by step, okay?
Step by step. Yes, I agree.
Did you bring lunch or order?
I brought a sandwich from home.
Nice. I do that sometimes too.
Eating together sounds really nice, Jane.
Yes. We talk and laugh a lot.
I like friendly places like this.
We're like a small happy family.
That's the kind of place I want.
You'll fit in very well here.
I want to give my best.
And we'll help you grow too.
That's so kind. I feel encouraged.
That's what teammates are for, Helen.
You're already making me feel relaxed.
That's my welcome gift to you.
Best welcome ever. I feel lucky.
We're lucky you joined us too.
What do you usually work on?
Mostly campaigns and some client calls too.
Sounds like you do many things.
Yes, but I enjoy the variety.
I want to learn everything here.
Start slow. Learn what matters first.
That makes sense. Thank you, Jane.
What are your strongest skills, Helen?
Writing and social media are strengths.
Perfect. We really need help there.
I'm happy to help the team.
Your energy is really refreshing today.
I'm just excited to be here.
That's great. Keep that excitement going.
I'll try. Positive energy really helps.
We believe in supporting each other.
That's my kind of team culture.
You'll see it more every day.
I look forward to each day.
Any questions about your role today?
Just about the reporting schedule, maybe.
I'll show you after lunch break.
Awesome. Thanks for guiding me today.
It's my pleasure, really, no problem.
What time do people eat lunch?
Around 12 noon. I'll remind you.
I'll set a reminder just in case.
Smart move. First days fly quickly.
So far, it's going really well.
That's great to hear, Helen. Yay.
Thanks again for being so kind.
No worries. That's just who I am.
Then I'm lucky to meet you.
We're both lucky, I'd say.
What's your favorite part of work?
Definitely teamwork and creative brainstorming sessions.
I love creative work too, Jane.
That's good. We need more ideas.
I have some ideas to share.
Awesome. Let's hear them tomorrow, maybe?
Yes. After I learn more things.
Perfect. No rush at all, okay?
I like how you say that.
Just take things easy at first.
That helps take pressure off me.
Exactly. First week is for learning.
What helped you when you started?
Asking questions and talking to people.
I'll try doing that more too.
Good. Don't stay quiet too long.
I'll try to speak more often.
Even small talk helps make friends.
I want to make good friends.
You will. Just be yourself always.
I feel safe to be myself.
That's what I love hearing most.
Thank you again for your support.
It's really no trouble, I promise.
You're very helpful, and I'm grateful.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Are you always this friendly, Jane?
I try to be every day.
That's amazing. A great quality, really.
I think kindness makes everything better.
I agree. Kindness changes the atmosphere.
Imagine if everyone acted with kindness.
The world would feel more peaceful then.
We can start that here, together.
Yes, let's build a kind culture.
Small things can make big change.
Like saying hello or helping someone.
Exactly. That's what I believe too.
I'll remember that when I work.
What's your plan after work today?
Go home, relax, and sleep early.
Smart plan. First week is tiring.
My head is already full now.
Don't worry. It will clear up.
I trust that. You give hope.
We all grow at our pace.
Thanks for saying that. It helps.
I'm happy you feel better now.
So much better. I feel lighter.
Great. That's my goal every time.
You're like sunshine in the office.
Haha, I'll take that compliment.
You deserve it. You're a gem.
You're sweet. Let's support each other.
Agreed. Teamwork makes everything more fun.
Totally. Work doesn't have to stress.
I'm starting to believe that now.
Welcome again, Helen. Day 1 done.
Thanks, Jane. It was a good day.
Tomorrow will be even better, promise.
I look forward to it already.
Let's grab coffee before work tomorrow.
Yes. I'd really love that, Jane.
Awesome. I'll meet you by entrance.
I'll be there by 8:30 sharp.
Perfect. We'll have time to chat.
Thank you for this wonderful welcome.
You're welcome anytime, my new friend.
See you tomorrow, Jane. Good night.
Good night, Helen. Sleep well tonight.
I will. Thanks for everything today.
You're most welcome, always, Helen.
Let's make tomorrow even better together.
That's the spirit. I'm excited already.
Me too. See you tomorrow morning.